How to change Duolingo avatar. Hey everybody, this tutorial is going to be about how you can easily change your avatar in Duolingo. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Duolingo app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, all you need to do is simply head over to your avatar at the bottom. So it's right beside the menu icon, tap on it. Once you get to the profile icon, all you have to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right. And then from here, you can select your avatar and edit it. So simply go ahead and tap on the avatar icon or your avatar and you will be taken to the editor. You can change the skin tone of your avatar and then you can select its face. You can change its body as well and then change its expression. Once you have done that, you can change the eye color. So let me just select a different color here. You can change its hairstyle, as well as accessories like glasses, mustache, beard, and other options like hats, clothing color, and then the background color. That's how you basically edit your avatar in Duolingo. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.